Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, Father's Day is just around the corner, so I thought of making a Father's Day greeting card. I have made a suit blazer greeting card. It is in unique shape. It is a easy and cute greeting card and perfect for Father's Day. When we open it, we get four flaps, and one flap has a bow and buttons and a collar, and on the second flap I have written some sentiments. On this third flap also some sentiments. On the fourth flap similarly sentiments. On these empty spaces you can paste the pictures of your father. And here is a little space where I have written words best dad. So you can use this card for Father's Day as well, and card for happy birthday dad, or any for your brother also, for your uncle or friend. So let's get started with the tutorial. I have already drawn a suit tuxedo shape or blazer shape on a A4 size pastel sheet. I have made it in small size. You can make it in a larger size also. I have drawn it roughly, but make sure it should be symmetrical from both the sides. Then cut out. Cut out the arms also. Now take a pastel sheet of a small size and place it like this, and trace it on the blazer that we have made. Then cut it like this as I am cutting. Then take the paper that we have made and erase all the lines and fold the paper into half, and after cutting the paper into half, then make collars of the blazer. Then fold or crease all the markings. Similarly crease this paper also. Then fold it on the paper coat that we have made as shown in the video. Then I have created arms of the blazer to paste it on the coat. Just trace the arms and paste. Then I am adding cuffs at the arms of the blazer. I have taken dark blue color sheet for the cuffs. Then I have taken a small sheet of paper and now make collar of the paper that we have made. Cut with help of scissor and then adjust it like this. Take the paper and cut it from the collars to paste it and create a flaps. Then I have created 3 more flaps similarly, and I am pasting washi tape on the downside of the flaps. Then I have punched some circles from circle punch and I am pasting them as buttons, and now I will paste a bow, and then I have written some messages and I have sticked it. Now paste all the papers, all the techniques, all the flaps that we have made one by one. Then I have prepared a bow from a hurt punch and I am pasting it on the top of the collar, on the downside of the collar, and just paste. I hope you all guys liked my this Father's Day greeting card. If you like this card, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get latest updates from my channel. And as you know, I completed 10,000 subscribers, so thank you so much everyone for 10,000.